Oh, okay, folks. This is this is Patricia now. I'm on this tonight. Sadly, I'm on the Dreamliner tonight, folks. BA-9 out to Bangkok. Oh, the 747's on radar, heading for JFK now. So she's pushing back. Oh, okay. Let's catch Patricia then. We're gonna go to the. We're gonna rush over to the 09. Remember, this is one we caught in Mumbai earlier, folks. This morning. Was it afternoon out in Mumbai, wasn't it? Around about 11 AM, wasn't it? Okay. We caught this last night as well, folks, going out. She was so low. Bosh! There she is. She's down.
Situations like we're in here, it's difficult to come by the stuff. Goodbye. Okay, so now I'm going to take the inside of this was very, very difficult, as you can imagine.
Right, okay, let's head to the part. Oh, yeah, before we do that, Virgin's 350. Okay, folks, we're going to end it there. We're going to catch the 350 landing with Virgin Atlantic from Atlanta, and then no, from Bajota. Interesting. Yeah, in from Bajota or Atlanta. No, in from Bajota, and then we're gonna finish it there. So thanks everyone for your wonderful support. Really appreciate it. Oh yeah, we're gonna head to departures now. We've got to capture this guy coming in. His name's we got to capture Habeba tomorrow. His name's Joel King. His name's Fred King. And Joel will be happy to catch your friend as soon as possible, my friend. I have to post that on TikTok.
Last bit of masking tape, modelling tape or painting tape coming off. Okay, and that's it, ladies and gents. That is. Now, do you remember what that looked like when we first fired it up? It was just a bland old piece of that colour, and now it's now the fan casing is nicely done. So that's the leading fan casing. You can see why I've done the clean line inside there, because I think even when the fan itself is in there, you can still see through it, as we've mentioned so many times on the show. The fact that the core of the engine is literally only that big, and all of this around here, somewhere in the region of 75% of the air that goes through the engine bypasses the core. Only 25% of that is drawn in and burnt off and used to explode and create thrust, which is an immense achievement.